So let's take a moment to first admire the adorable new addition to my knitting studio. Yes, I finally added a baby crib to help display my knitted blankets. This is something I've wanted for years. Here is my big news for you. I now am carrying the Cascade Yarn line in my studio knit shop. Now I'm doing so as yarn kits, so they're totally customized to my knitting patterns. Here I have my official Moss Landing blanket yarn kit. I have some calming color combinations that I have handpicked just for you. We're using Cascade Superwash 128 yarn. It's this soft, luxurious merino wool that I've used in all of my blankets. It's really easy to care for and so soft. It feels great to knit with it. And for a little bonus, I am personally winding all of the skeins into yarn balls. So the yarn comes directly from the manufacturer in those twisted skeins, which then need to be wound into balls. So I'm taking that step out. As soon as you receive your yarn kit in the mail, you can begin casting on. For the sizes, I have two sizes right now: a baby blanket, which uses 4 balls of yarn, or a cozy Lapghan. It's twice as big, so that is using 8 balls of yarn. As soon as I receive an order, I wind the yarn for you. I package it up really carefully and include a printed pattern for you. Now, when you place that online order, you also will immediately receive a digital PDF of the pattern. And that's really nice. You can keep it in your digital library. You also have an opportunity to look over all of the details of the pattern and be totally ready to go as soon as you receive your yarn kit in the mail. I really like having that personal one-on-one connection with you. Instead of having a referral code or an affiliate link, this project is coming directly from my studio straight to you, and I just hope it makes our connection a little bit closer. And once it's all packaged up, I walk it over to my local post office, which fortunately is just right next door to Studio Knit. These physical yarn kits are currently only available in the United States, but the digital pattern is always available to everybody worldwide. I'll make sure to have the links below. Whether you are knitting for a little one, either a human baby or a fur baby, gifting a handmade treasure, or treating yourself to a peaceful project, I really hope that this inspires you to cast on your own easy Moss Landing blanket. As of filming this video, the colors I currently have available are moss. It's this green color. There's also feather gray. That's what the factory calls it. I think it's more of a beige, kind of a clay, really nice neutral tone. And pale blush is a pink color. It's a really nice, soft pink. And summer sky heather is a blue, very calming tone. Cascade Yarn sent me their color swatch book. Oh my gosh, this is so fun to have. All of the beautiful colors that they currently have available in their 128 Superwash, which is my all-time fave, are all available here, so I can see what they actually look like in real life. If you think there are some other colors that would be perfect for the Moss Landing blanket, let me know in the comments below. I'll take a look and see what else we can create. And since these yarn kits are coming directly from me, there is a very limited quantity available. So if it's something that you think you might like, I do encourage you to go check out my online Studio Knit shop right now to see what colors and sizes are currently available. I also have this little button right here that you can click to be notified for free when your color of choice becomes available if it's not. So check out all of the details. I have linked them below, and I cannot wait to see what you make next.